Create an eBay description using M2E Sales Channels templates. To begin, navigate to your channel items and select eBay. Then, proceed to open the product card for which you intend to modify the description policies. Locate the Policies section and click on the Change button. Within the Policies tab, you'll find a customizable eBay description template that enables you to effortlessly fine-tune any product information. This is where you can efficiently configure selling, synchronization, description, shipping, and return policies using just a few clicks. Now, let's take a closer look at the description option itself. Within this section, you have the choice between View or Edit or Create buttons. Let's take a closer look at the existing product description. In the General segment, input the title for your description policy and your product title. For the product title, you have the flexibility to utilize source data, select the template option, or opt for the custom option to manually input your product's name. Regarding the description itself, you can utilize your source data, pick the attribute option to employ it as the source for your description, select the color theme template. Here you have a choice between white, gray, or dark theme. Click the preview button to see what it looks like. Or go for the custom option and input the product description manually using HTML code. For added convenience, you can make use of code snippets such as title, description, price, and image, or connect your attributes. Don't forget to save your changes. That's it.